Okay, the little cold shoe mount turned out pretty sweet. Get that mounted right up on top of here. Just going to use some double-sided tape. We'll stick that on, and then that should let us mount things like a flashlight or a microphone. But let's get it mounted on there and see how it works. I'm excited about this. I haven't had a flashlight on this thing, and I've been wanting to do it for a while. All right, let's get it put together. I'm just going to use this little 3M tape. It's pretty thin, so it won't stick up off the unit very far. Let's see, do I want to go this way or that way? I'm kind of thinking that way. Do 2 strips. Should be more than strong enough. This is usually the most challenging part, is getting those stickers peeled off. That one wasn't too bad. So we can get this one. Oh. All right. All right, let's get it hopefully lined up straight as possible. Nice. I think that's straight. Straight enough. Put some pressure on it for a bit. Nice. That is exciting. I've been wanting that on there since I got this thing. It's an excellent camcorder, inexpensive, but a little bit lacking accessories. That's going to be cool. Okay, so now I can get my light mounted up there. Now this little mount I just picked up off of Amazon. I'll put some links down below, but it just threads into the 1/4-20, and then you got a little nut here that you can use for tightening it down to the cold shoe. So just get it centered, snug it down. Perfect. That is awesome. I may chop these off just to get rid of that extra baggage up there, but it's got a magnet on it, cool little lights, but the COB light is very diffused, so it doesn't give you like a spot type situation. Awesome. That's going to be so much better now. Cool. All right. Well, I'm going to have I'll put the link to the STL file for this thing if anybody's interested down below, and links to any of the Amazon stuff for the light and for this mount if anybody's looking to do this modification yourself. Thanks for watching.